Welcome to Iceland, everyone. We had a bit of an adventure finding this cabin, mainly because we got lost real bad and just couldn't find it, and it was getting dark, so that didn't help. But we found it after like 1.5 hours of driving, and now we're here. So today we're going to head out to the Blue Lagoon. I'm going to get some nice gimbal shots, do some drone flying, and I'll keep you guys posted. So we just stopped at this beautiful landscape. Hang on, we've got people flying drones and everyone just seems to be stopping here. But let me show you. We have a lake, we have like a ton of mountains and like this volcanic ash. It is absolutely beautiful. Here, let me show you. So we just went food shopping and now we're on our way to a burger place, right?
That's the Reykjavik church.
Oh wow.
We're actually in Reykjavik.
That's the Reykjavik church right there. So yeah, we're actually in Reykjavik. Yeah, we haven't had anything proper to eat all day. So we're gonna get some burgers now and then we're gonna head home and hopefully get some photos of the Northern Lights. I got some really good ones yesterday evening, and yeah, we're hopefully gonna get some really good shots because we've got clear skies. And Eugenia's getting a bit annoyed because I'm still vlogging, and she wants to vlog, but she doesn't want to double vlog. Why not? Maddie and Peter do it.
Talk over each other, but then
not in the same location though. I've got a shotgun mic on mine, so I'll be okay. And she's still vlogging. And she's using my Gorillapod.
The Reykjavik church, the famous Reykjavik church. Look at that.
Yeah, I enjoy vlogging, I really do. I haven't been doing it, maybe I'll get into it in Munich. Although you get weird looks, but I don't think I should care. So Ujni is getting a little time lapse, and yeah, then we're gonna make our way to that restaurant right there. Look at this place. This is serious vlog life. So this is what we saw on Google Maps, and it's what we're gonna get.
Okay,
Right?
should we find a place where to sit and then each one of us? Yeah. That's good. Wow.
Let's find a place to sit.
Should we sit by the window?
Yeah, why not?
How about here? Should we sit over here?
You're sitting together.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we just had a really great dinner, and we just sat down at a table with these 4 Californian people, and they were the loveliest people. Like, it was a really great
You know what
evening.
I was wondering though?
Get the plan done for tomorrow, right? And then maybe shoot some northern lights, because they haven't shot them yet. And then head to bed, and then tomorrow's going to be a really cool day with Black Sand Beach and the plane wreck. I'll show you in tomorrow's vlog. See you then.